John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to change your headlight bulb, and you probably won't even need any tools. I'll be working on a 2008 Ford Escape, but if you have any questions about your specific vehicle, we always recommend that you look at your service manual. We can even recommend a professional technician if things get a little bit more complicated than what you were expecting. When a bulb burns out, the one on the other side is probably going to burn out soon as well. It really is a good idea to go ahead and change them both. It will keep you from having headlights with two different levels of brightness, because as a bulb wears out, it's going to continue to grow dimmer. Once you have your replacement bulb, we're going to pop our hood and identify where our headlight housing is. You should be able to identify the back of the bulb pretty easily. In some cases, you might even need to remove your battery or your air cleaning unit. If you do, don't worry. It's usually just a couple of bolts or screws. Just make sure you remember which bulb, high beam or low beam, needs replaced and that your car and the lights are turned off. When you get to the bulb, you'll see a socket with wires that's plugged into the base of the bulb. You'll want to detach the wire socket from the bulb. Just press the tab to release it and pull on the socket. Be careful to pull on the socket and not the wires so you don't damage the wires. In most cases, you'll twist the bulb to the left and slide it straight out. Some vehicles have a clip or retaining ring that needs to be loosened or taken out before the bulb can be removed. Have your replacement bulb ready before you remove the old one. And when you handle the new one, be sure to not touch it with your bare fingers. Finger oil and grease can make a hot spot on the glass that can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Bulbs will have tabs that align with notches on the opening at the back side of the housing, so there's really only one way that it will go in. Once you've slid the bulb back into position and secured it by twisting it to the right, reattach the wire socket and you're good to go. Repeat those steps on the other side and then check and make sure that your headlights are working before you close your hood. Now remember, all the bulbs that you need are at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or online at O'ReillyAuto.com. You might also want to check out our video on headlight selection to help you decide which headlight bulbs are going to be best for your particular vehicle. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, please subscribe to our channel to see the latest DIY jobs, and we'll see you again soon.